Welcome back to AK AutoExpert, your ultimate hub for next-gen rides, luxury wheels, and mind-blowing auto tech. Today, we're diving into something absolutely insane, the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome. Yes, you heard it right, Lambo Luxury just went mobile. Let's fire it up. Exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome is nothing short of a moving hypercar palace. Sculpted with Lamborghini's signature aerodynamic aggression, this motorhome features sharp lines, a low-slung front fascia, Y-shaped LED lighting, and a stealth-inspired paint finish. The front resembles the Lamborghini Revuelto, with hexagonal air intakes and a wide carbon fiber grille. On the sides, retractable steps, massive 24-inch alloy wheels, and scissor-style cab doors scream exotic flair. The rear flaunts a futuristic lighting bar and quad exhausts that echo Lambo's V12 heritage. It's a supercar soul in a luxury RV body, dashing away performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the living space, lies a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine paired with dual electric motors, delivering a whopping 900 horsepower. This beast is built on a performance-grade chassis that offers rear-wheel steering, adaptive air suspension, and a four-wheel drive system. It's not just fast for a motorhome, it's faster than most sports SUVs. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.8 seconds, with a top speed of around 155 miles per hour, this is the supercar of the RV world. Plus, the regenerative braking system and solar integration ensure efficiency isn't sacrificed for speed. Interior. Step inside, and it feels like a 5-star suite fused with a space shuttle. The interior boasts Alcantara leather, carbon fiber trim, ambient LED lighting, and customizable touchscreen controls throughout the cabin. A smart rotating cockpit lets the driver's seat become part of the lounge when parked. There's a full-size leather sofa, retractable 75-inch OLED TV, a built-in espresso bar, and voice-activated lighting and climate systems. The bedroom includes a queen-sized memory foam bed and ambient skylight ceiling. Even the bathroom is lined with marble textures and automated fittings. Shield safety features. Lamborghini packed this motorhome with high-end safety tech. Expect Level 3 autonomous driving, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360 degrees camera view, blind spot monitoring, and a futuristic collision avoidance AI. For night travelers, there's also thermal imaging and automatic road condition alerts. The monocoque frame is reinforced with high-tensile steel and carbon fiber for extreme crash protection. This isn't just fast, it's safe luxury on wheels. Prices. So, what's the cost of this wild Lambo dream? The 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome is expected to start around $2.8 million, depending on the configuration. With add-ons like solar panels, off-grid battery upgrades, and luxury custom interiors, it can easily exceed $3.5 million. This is for the ultra-elite who want performance and prestige.